These are all our. This is our Mittelstand Council in Germany.
Yeah.
Okay. These are a lot of our closest customers that we would get feedback from all over Germany around small business and what small business need and how we can help them grow. And the biggest challenge that I hear from the market is that time, cash, and the ability to generate results. So every small business, time is their money. So we're working on making sure our solutions are as easy as possible to use. The ability to generate cash, pay the bills, and grow the company profitably is a huge challenge. So we allow complete flexibility around the pricing and how much you're willing to pay for the ad based on your budget, and you generate the results immediately. So that's quite important around how we work the ad system. And then third is generating results. Every business in Germany, and indeed every country, needs to ring that cash register again and again and again, generate hard results to help them grow their companies. So we're focused on making sure all of our products drive very hard business results so they can help companies like Hals Connection sell furniture in Germany, outside of Germany, and the same for lots of other Mittelstand all over the market.
Cool. Thank you very much.
No problem.